Hi guys, hope you're having a great day today.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Fred's twin brother. One's got hair. Okay, Sheila, what you got?
Today, guys, we are going to be talking about former Sheriff Mickey Stines. He was indicted on murder charges.
Time, man.
Yeah, he is the former, as you know, former Letcher County Sheriff who went into the judge's chambers, Kevin Mullins, and chewed him.
8 times, according to the grand jury.
Right, right. So the Attorney General, Russell Coleman, and the Commonwealth Attorney of the 27th District Circuit Court, Jackie Stills, announced Thursday the indictment for him for murder. Stines, he has, it says 1 count murder of the public official
Yeah.
is what they're charging with, 1 count of murder.
Well, that would be correct.
Right, because is that
It don't matter how many times he shot him.
right? But I'm saying, like, is it murder 1 or just because it's 1 count because it was 1 person?
Well, it's 1 count because it's 1 person.
Okay.
But murder. It's murder, first degree murder 1.
That's
It's
okay. That's what I was.
the murder of a public official. I don't know if that ups it here in Kentucky, if that's a bigger charge because it is a public official, if it holds any more of a harsher penalty or not.
Right.
This this should be a death penalty case,
Mm-hmm.
according to that tape. It was so clear, and so there's no. I see people still on the news say allegedly. Allegedly what?
Right.
Allegedly, what we're not seeing on the video, what we're seeing. I mean,
Right.
he
Maybe they're saying allegedly because it wasn't returned as official, as an indictment yet.
no, even as an indictment, they're saying it's just a wording
Right.
for liability purposes, I guess. But I mean, you don't have to use allegedly when
Mm-hmm.
something is that plain and simple and on camera and clear that man offed the judge.
Right.
Now he offed him. I don't care what reason,
Right.
what excuse he may have or thought he had. He offed that judge,
Mm-hmm.
unarmed judge in his office.
Mm-hmm.
So there's no alleged to it. It's on video. Now the thing is what kind of excuse are they going to concoct?
Is the truth will come out?
No, this will be played out. I've said it from the beginning.
Yeah.
This will never go to trial. They will plead this out.
Mm-hmm.
You will never hear the evidence. You will probably never hear what the real purpose of it was. They will plead him out.
Wow.
They don't want. It's like a secret. It's like the John F. Kennedy case. I don't know if any of y'all out there have tried to get any information on this or not. You can call one county, they'll send you to another county.
Mm-hmm.
They'll send you to another county. They'll send you to the administrative office of the courts,
And
Attorney
nobody
General's
knows
office.
what's going on.
Well, they know, but nobody's talking.
Exactly what I'm saying. They all say.
And why is that? Why? What's the big secret? It's like national security here. Nobody will tell you anything. You can't until it happens. You've got an indictment now, which is 2 months in coming, and with still no reason. Still, right. I don't know. It's when Sheila and I call and try to check so we can go to the court hearings or anything that might be the grand jury or to know. Until it happened, there was nothing comes up. I look for them to just do the arraignment, the circuit court arraignment by video.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, the arraignment's supposed to be set for November 25th at noon. So that's this Monday, guys. So
Are you
hopefully
going?
we'll find out more. We're gonna try to go. I would, like to, if possible.
I think it's a lost trip. I think
Yeah.
they'll either have the courts shut or they'll have video
No video.
because it's just an arraignment, or his attorney will appear for him
Yeah. Wow.
because it's just an arraignment in circuit court where he's now been indicted.
Mm-hmm.
It moves from district court up to circuit court. It's now, it's a felony, of course.
Okay.
And go ahead. I'm sorry, babe. I interrupted you.
That's okay. We'll recap it here a little bit and give you kind of like a little bit of a recap on everything. This all took place on September the 19th when Sheriff Stines, I got ready to say allegedly.
That's okay.
Sheriff,
When the sheriff went into the office of the judge and pow-powed him 8 times,
8 times.
3 different locations.
Yep.
I mean, tried to go over the desk, in front of the desk, and then before he left the office, total outright.
That was anger, wasn't it? It was
outright de-lifed him, intentionally de-lifed him with 8, not 1, but when you're showing some anger, you're showing some. It's like the Hatfield McCoy feud. It was over de-lifing.
Yeah, there you go.
Hatfield McCoy feud. There wasn't but 12 people killed. There I go with that word. There wasn't but 12 people de-lifed in the Hatfield McCoy feud with weapons, or fire, or anything like that. But it was a famous feud. It was famous because it was over de-lifing. They tied them to trees. They burnt their houses down. They shot children. And it made it, and that's what this was. This was so 8 rounds.
Wow.
But like Sheila said, it's Monday.
Right. His arraignment is on Monday, the 25th. And
it's not snowing here or bad weather.
Right.
We're only a couple hours away.
So we'll try to
go up there and see. I don't anticipate, but we can do a live from outside the courthouse or something to let you see. And if they do allow people in, or if the sheriff is there.
I bet they don't.
Well, one way to know, ain't it?
Yeah. So on Monday, so will they give a ruling then?
Oh, no, this is just an arraignment. No, it's just an arraignment.
Okay.
Him or his attorney is going to show up. They're going to ask him how he pleads. And of course, he's going to plead not guilty. Go there and plead guilty. It's just a formality. And he'll plead not guilty. His attorney, I forget his name, but his attorney will plead not guilty for him. He's got 2 attorneys, a husband and wife team. I think they're out of Somerset and seem to be very competent. And again, they've never said, I seen a while back where they said that it didn't have nothing to do with the daughter. It seems like what I saw on
the attorney said that?
Seems like that's what I saw. And that's what everybody initially was thinking after the
because he was
hearing
on the phone.
And it was like it was something to do with something there. And I could be wrong on that, but it seems like I seen where somebody had said, or even the attorney had said that they had no evidence of anything like that. So what was
the reasoning? Yeah.
Inquiry minds want to know.
Yeah. It's interesting to me.
It is. It's an interesting case, and it's going to be interesting. Again, I hope I'm wrong, and I can be wrong. I've been wrong before. I don't think it'd ever go to court. I don't think it'd ever go to trial. I think there'll be a plea bargain, and he'll probably get 5 years. They may give him 20 years. They may give him this and that, let him plead to it, but he'll probably serve 5 and get out. There's more to this than meets the eye.
Yeah.
And I could be wrong.
Yeah.
Politics is a funny thing, especially small town politics and small counties, and especially in Eastern Kentucky. Eastern Kentucky is more secluded than if you were in Frankfort or Lexington, Fayette County, or one of your larger counties.
Yeah.
Letcher County's right there, Perry County, Pike County, they're all right there together. Sheila and I know what
Small.
politics is like in Pike County and
Yeah.
Different things. We're well familiar with it. And sheriff's departments, and there's a lot of political power, a lot of connections, a lot of, and so we'll see.
So Judge Adams was appointed solely for the purpose of
Receiving the
receiving the
indictment.
indictment?
Yeah, evidently that is a lady. Am I correct in that?
Julia H. Adams.
Okay, yeah, it says that she come out of retirement.
Who served as circuit judge in Clark.
So she's serving as a special judge in this case. Did you see where they said that she may give bond?
That's interesting.
Yeah.
To say the least.
May give bond. And I mean, the evidence is so overwhelming.
Right.
This is not like something you're in doubt and one person's thinking, well, maybe they misunderstood. Maybe there's a video.
Normally they don't give
of this
bond for this type of case, right?
Not with the evidence that's there, that this man just solely, he no more cared
intentionally
done that. Would I consider him? I don't know the guy from Adam, but
right.
I think he's a proven de-lifer. There's no doubt he doesn't care to de-life you.
Yeah.
And to turn him out into the general public, I don't care how high the bond is.
Yeah.
I think you're, I don't know. I hope he don't get mad at somebody else before them, because he's proven what his ability is and what he can do and what he doesn't care to do.
Right.
And I may be a little bit rough. This is the sheriff of Letcher County at one time. This is a lawman. And like I always say about ministers and police officers and law people, held to a different standard. Wow.
Yeah.
I was flabbergasted when this happened. A lot of people are.
Yeah. I mean, that's the sheriff you trust. That's somebody you put a trust in, that they'll be fair and just and
knows the law.
Yeah.
And knows the penalty and knows is there something there that when he done it, he thought, well, I'll get away with it. I can do this and I can do that, because
wonder if he knew the camera was in the judges.
He was so nonchalant, non-concerned.
Yeah.
I mean, he left there with a little bit of haste.
Yeah.
But other than haste, it was just, he just wanted to get out there and give his pow up. And so somebody didn't.
He went out the side door, right? Correct, and come in the front. So, I mean, I don't know. His mind of thinking is, I don't know, interesting.
It's going to be, yeah, you're right. It's going to be an interesting case. Sheila and I will try to go up there Monday to Whitesburg. And if we do, we'll cover it live. If we got a signal up there, we didn't go live last time. We just videoed it.
We just videoed, yeah. So we might just have to do that and upload it when we get back.
If we can go live, we will. Right. And let you see what's going on. And one of us go in, one of us stay out, if they even allow people in, or if it's.
I don't know if they
Again, I look for his attorney to show up, plead him not guilty, and it's over. It's going to be a 5-minute.
Oh, is he still
incarcerated?
Incarcerated in
Leslie County, I believe. You can go to Leslie. What is that site? Vine? There's a Kentucky site where you can check the vine.com or something, and you can check Kentucky jails for, excuse me. See who's in there. You can get their picture of them, and she can put it on the video or something, maybe.
Yeah, I can maybe add it to the end of the video.
Add it to the end, but just Google Leslie County, Kentucky jail, and you can see that he was in there the last time we searched.
Right.
There's still a question as to where is this going to be in Letcher County? Is this going to be a change of venue? What's the deal? I know they changed the venue in the beginning. But what's it going to be now? They'll have to do all that. See, this circuit court now, so he's been indicted by Letcher County grand jury, so he's back in Letcher County as far as the case. Are they going to?
Because that's where it took place, so they'll have to have it there when they move it.
That's where they would have it. That's who's got jurisdiction over it. But now, I did see where his attorney wants to have the trial, if there is a trial again. I don't think it'll ever go to trial. I don't think. I could be wrong.
Hey.
But he says he wants to have it in Letcher County.
Okay.
And, of course, the prosecutors may want to change venue. They may want to change to a different county.
Yeah.
Because him and the judge both, they say, were Kevin Mullins. They say
Judge Mullins, yeah.
Yeah, Judge Mullins. They say both of them was well liked.
Yeah, there's people on Mr. Stines' side who says that, he'll tell the truth or the truth will come out, everything that he knows. And then there's other people on Judge Mullins' side, that's for him.
And again, you got to understand courts and lawyers, attorneys, and is there really a reasonable reason whatsoever that you could life somebody like that for 8 rounds? Is there anything that what in the world could we any of us say, oh, he's justified? Wow, about the only thing that would have been even close to being, I still don't believe he is, and him being a lawman, would have been if something in the first rumors that were coming out about his daughter, and that would have given people a little leadway that you would say, hey, what would a father do? Well, if it's true what they're saying now, that it didn't have nothing to do with his daughter, or at least in that aspect of it, I don't know what you could say that would give anybody the.
Because he had said that they were trying to kidnap his wife and daughter.
Now, who said that?
Stines.
Oh, that is right. He said that.
Stines said it when he was first.
Somebody when they.
Yeah. What was it?
That.
Yeah.
Trying to kidnap him, but see, the rumor was something else.
Right.
The rumor was something else, and he was upset over his daughter.
Right.
And the judge's phone. And that's been proven, or.
Yeah, because they said on the video you can see Mr. Stines punch in his daughter's number.
Well, punch in somebody's number.
Or
And from what they said is that he dialed the number, and that's on videos, and that's on newscast, and I can't see. I got glasses on now. I can't see without glasses. But guys, I don't know. That's good enough. I don't even dragging it out. It's just there's at the end, guys, y'all can comment. Sheila especially loves reading your comments.
Tell us what you all think.
We both do. We both love seeing how you feel and what because I know what my feelings are, and I'm pretty hard-headed. It would take it's going to take something pretty. He wouldn't want me on the jury.
Proof.
Yeah. I mean, there's absolutely. I mean, it would have been even hard with the other thing to say, why didn't you can't take the law into your own hands. Why didn't you?
Especially when they were.
I mean,
eating and then
beat them up, do something like that, and then charge them. But you can't just de-life somebody. That's a
serious offense.
Leave a comment, guys. Let us know what you think.
Okay.
Let us know what you think. Let us know if you know anything about if they're going to have open court or if it's going to be videoed. Save us a trip up there. If somebody, because you can call Letcher County, you can call Monroe County, you can call the other ones there all day long, and they'll just want to transfer you to somebody else, so they're going to say they don't know nothing about it. I don't know how clerks' offices cannot know anything about court cases. They're right there in the docket. They're right there in the file. Pull the file and see when the next.
Maybe they were told not to.
I don't know. That's public records, though. How can you just keep it from people? It's not, again, you're dealing with small
communities there,
counties. You're dealing with people that does things their way, and their way and the legal way may not be the same, but it's definitely again, it's like things that's.
It's going to be interesting.
You're up, babe.
you know, we feel sorry for both sides of the for both sets of people, Mr. Stein's family and Mr. Kevin Mullins' family, anybody that's involved in this. This is going to be
Well, I don't feel sorry for Stines. I mean, I know you do, and that's
his
fine.
family.
And I know God's still working with me, but I mean, I'm not going to say I feel sorry for his family. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I feel sorry for his family, and then I feel sorry for Judge
Of course.
Mullins'
Yeah,
family.
of course. Now I do that, but he made a decision there to do what he done.
Right.
He made a decision
That
to
affected
do what he
everybody.
done. Now they can say it's emotional distress, disturbance. They can, you know, and the law allows for that.
It has
At
a
this
lasting
point-
effect.
At this point, we still haven't seen or heard anything that would, and it ain't up to us. We're just
No,
a couple of YouTubers.
we're just-
But what do we know?
right.
But I'm sure that other people out there may be thinking the same thing as us. What caused this?
Yeah, I think everybody wants to know that one.
Have I told you today how beautiful you are?
Oh, I love you.
All
You're
right.
sweet. Thank you, baby.
Oh, you're welcome. Baby.
So as of now, this Monday, November 25th, he is supposed to have his new arraignment. So we'll keep you updated on that and see what goes from there. God bless you all. Thank you all for tuning in. Always watching us and commenting. We deeply appreciate that. You all rock. You're an amazing bunch of supporters. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you guys. God bless, and prayers for Daniel Penny up in New York. They should be giving that case to the jury here pretty soon.
Right.
So if you've not kept up with Daniel Penny, you may want to check into that case. We've got 2 or 3 videos. Man's definitely been treated unjustly. And thanks.
Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
I'm a man of few words, ain't nobody.
No, you do great. You do outstanding.
Yeah.
Bye.